Hey guys, now why buy bread when you can make it at home? This is a simple, easy recipe. You're going to love it. Please try it out. Just follow the steps and you're going to have your homemade nice bread using a gas cooker. Yes, so guys, 1 cup of warm milk, add 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast and a tablespoon of sugar. Let it sit for 10 minutes to bloom. Now I'm going to use 3 cups of all-purpose flour. As you can see, please sieve it. A 1/4 cup of sugar and a pinch of salt. Since we are using salted butter or margarine, you can use margarine. Now add 3 tablespoons of melted margarine. I used margarine, you can use butter. 1 egg. Yes, mix this properly and add in your milk and yeast mixture. Now you're going to knead this. Please knead this for at least 10 minutes. It helps the bread come out so soft. Yes, take your time with it. As you can see, add a 1/2 cup of flour there and knead your bread for at least 10 minutes or until it is really soft and elastic. So guys, as you can see, our bread dough is really soft. Now you oil your bowl. You add some oil in your bowl so that because you're going to let it sit for 1 hour. Yes, so cover and let it sit for at least 1 hour. So our hour is done. Yes, now punch out this gas. Yes, and there you are. You have your nice soft dough. Now from here you can go with any shape that you like, but I'm going to cut mine into quarters. Make balls out of them and add yes. So yes, oil your pan. I'm also going to use a baking paper. Add it in there and add in your dough. You can use any shape that you like, really. Your bread will still turn out very nice and very yummy. Now for egg wash, you need 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of milk, and add it on your bread like that. Spread it on your bread evenly like that. So you cover this and yes, let it sit for 1 more hour. And here we are. So you're going to heat up your pan. If you're using your oven, heat it up. I'm using my saucepan. As you can see, I'm going to add in my salt and my stand in there. Preheat it please for at least 5 minutes. Now you add in your bread and cook on medium low heat. Now cook your bread for 25 minutes. So our bread is here looking so nice. And guys, it's so nice. It's very soft. You are going to love this recipe, and it's very easy. It's very easy, guys. Try it out. You don't have to buy bread really. This is going to help you. This is going to work for you and for your family. Very soft and yummy. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting. Ciao.